Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB tethering not working only charging. If your phone only charges when connected to a USB cable and the USB tethering option doesn't appear, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. As you can see, when I connect this USB cable to my phone, it's only charging. The USB tethering option isn't available. Let's fix this issue step by step. Open your phone's settings. Once it is opened, scroll down and tap on About Phone on the bottom of the settings. Navigate to Software Information, locate Build Number and tap on it 7 times. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN or password. Enter it to proceed. Once you've done this, Developer Mode will be enabled on your phone. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to find Developer Options. Tap on it. Scroll through the options until you find USB hardware acceleration. Once you have found it, enable it. Next, scroll down a bit further and tap on Default USB Configuration. Select USB Tethering from the list. After making these changes, turn off Developer Options if you want to. Now let's test the fix. I'll reconnect the USB cable to my phone. And there you go. The USB tethering option is now working perfectly. If this method doesn't work for you, the issue might be with your USB cable. Older or unsupported cables can cause problems. Try using a different USB cable, preferably one designed for both charging and data transfer. And that's how you fix USB tethering not working only charging. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.